Hi children, this is Sarath from Lotus High School. Today we are going to learn some basic concepts which are okay children. Today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of integers. Already you know, but many of the students they are facing a lot of problem while adding and subtracting integers. That's why once again I am going to explain. Here the important mnemonic: same sum, different different. Same sum in the sense you know very well, plus symbol. Different difference, minus. Same in the sense same signs, different signs. Now this is very important. Same signs, sum, different signs, difference. Now I'll give one sum. -2 plus -7. What is the answer? Before going to learn this one, we must know the absolute value. What is absolute value? The number without sign. Suppose you take -2, the absolute value of -2 is equal to 2. Here the absolute value of -7 is equal to 7. Actually we should read -7, but we are habituated -7, -2 like that, but no problem. Now the absolute value of -2 is equal to 2, the absolute value of -7 is equal to 7. Here same sign. That's what we have to go for sum. Same sum. That's why 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. I got the answer is 9. Here both are negatives, that's why -9. Both are negatives, that's why -9. If I take one more example, +2 plus +7 is equal to, what is the answer? The same way negative. Again the absolute value of +2 is equal to 2. The absolute value of +7 is equal to 7. Yet both are same symbol, same sign. Same sign means we have to go for sum. Same sum. Again we have to do sum. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Here 9. Both are positive. That's why +9. Here both are negative. Girls. Both are girls. That's why girl 9. Both are boys. That's why boy 9. Okay. Okay children. Once again I am explaining the four sums. They may ask like this: -2 plus -7, this is nothing but -2 -7. Again the same concept I am using. The absolute value of -2 is equal to 2. The symbol is called as modulus. We are using for absolute value. Again the absolute value of -7 is equal to 7. Here same sign. That's why same signs, both are negative, but we are doing addition. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Same sum. Again I am writing same signs, sum, different signs, difference, different signs, difference. Sum in the sense plus, difference in the sense minus. Here same signs. That's what 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. My answer is 9, but both are negative, that's why -9. Coming to question number B. Here they may ask like this: +2 plus 7. The answer is again the absolute value of +2 is equal to 2. The absolute value of +7 is equal to 7. Again same sign, sum I have to do. Even then here both are positive, we are doing addition. Here both are negative, we are doing addition only. Listen carefully. So 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So this is plus symbol. That's why both are plus. That's why I got plus. Both are negative. Both are positive. Both are girls, girl 9. Both are boys, boy 9. Now coming to third question C. Here again the absolute value of -2, -2 is equal to 2. Again I have to write in another way. Minus, they may ask like this: no, -2 plus 7. absolute value of minus 2 is equal to 2, the absolute value of plus 7 is equal to 7. Here we have to go for different signs, different subtraction. That's what I am writing big number and small number. I have to go for subtraction. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. In this, what is the big number? 7 is the big number. For that, which symbol is there before modulus? Plus is there. That's what answer is plus 5. Answer is plus 5. Coming to the last question. Again, they may ask like this. Plus 2 minus 7 plus 2, the absolute value of positive 2 is equal to 2. The absolute value of negative 7 is equal to 7. I am doing subtraction because different signs difference. Subtraction. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. In this big number is 7. For that sign is minus. That's why minus 5. 4 plus minus 5 is in here also. Again I am using S negative. S negative. This first symbol is S. The second symbol is negative. S negative. That's why 4 minus 5 answer is minus 1. 4 minus 5 answer is minus 1. Don't confuse. Not for first sign, not negative, positive, not negative, positive. Yes negative, yes negative, negative. Yes positive, yes positive, positive. Yes negative, negative. If you have any confusion, better you do like this only. How to do, you know very well before itself. Here one more example. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 7. What is the answer? Simplify it. Minus 3, minus 2 first. I am doing like this. Minus 3, minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Minus 7 is here. So minus 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 12. Here same sign sum. Here also same sign sum. For this answer minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. So minus 7 I have written here. And for this answer minus 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 12. Both are addition only. Coming to one more example. Plus 3 minus 2 plus 7. Different signs. Plus 3 minus 2. Different signs. Difference. 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1 or plus 1. Plus 7 as it is I have written here. And plus 1 plus 7 is equal to plus 8. Now one more I am explaining. Normally plus 4 minus minus 5. You people are habituated, you are applying plus 4. Minus into minus plus 5 is equal to answer is plus 9. But okay. But I am explaining in another way. If it is okay, you follow this one. Otherwise you follow as it is, as old. What you following so far, you follow that only. Now yes negative, negative. Yes negative, negative. Yes positive, positive. Not negative, not negative. That in the sense positive. Yes negative. In the sense yes negative, negative. This you keep in your mind. Yes negative, yes negative, negative only. Yes positive, positive only. Not negative, reverse. Not negative, positive. Yes negative, negative. Yes negative, negative. If you want, you follow this one. Otherwise not required. Just I am explaining. Otherwise you follow before what you practice like that only. Now the same sum I am explaining. 4 plus 4 minus 5. Here this is first one is not. Second one is negative. Not negative means in the sense not negative in the sense positive. So plus 4 not negative in the sense positive. Plus 5 not negative plus 5 is equal to plus 9. One more example. Minus 4 plus minus 5. Here yes negative, yes negative, yes negative, yes negative, negative. So minus 4 minus 5. You people are using plus into minus minus, maybe Okay, you follow like this, no problem. But if you want, you adopt this method. Otherwise, don't adopt this method. Minus 4, minus 5. Yes, negative, negative. We people are habituated plus into minus, minus. So, minus 9, negative 9. One more. Plus 4, plus 3. Sometimes. Here also, we are getting brackets, no? First one is S, second one is first plus is S, second plus is positive. First one S, second one positive. S positive, positive. That's why plus 4 plus 3 is equal to plus 7. Okay, if you have any doubt about this concept, better you go for before method only. That is your wish. Plus 4 minus minus 5, people are using minus into minus plus. That's why plus 4 minus into minus plus. That's why plus 5, plus 4 plus 5 is equal to plus 9. Minus 4 plus minus 5 is equal to, here again you are using plus into minus minus. Minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 9. Like this, already you know very well. You can follow that method. Some examples. Minus 3 plus 5 is equal to, the answer is 2 plus 2. Again different signs, difference, the same concept you are using, we can use and we can do. Directly I am writing 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3, the absolute value of minus 3 is equal to 3. The absolute value of plus 5 is equal to 5. Both are different signs, no? That's why subtraction. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. In this, big number is 5. The sign for big number is plus, that's why plus 2. The first example is completed. The second example, 4 minus 5, that is nothing but plus 4 minus 5 only. The absolute value of plus 4 is 4. The absolute value of minus 5 is 5. Then, different signs, difference. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. In this big number is 5. The big number sign is minus. That's why minus 1. Next, one more example. Minus 3 minus 7. Again, here same sum. The absolute value of minus 3 is equal to 3. The absolute value of minus 7 is equal to 7. Same sign, no? Same signs, no? That's why sum. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Both are girls, that means negative. Both are girls, that's why negative 10. Negative 10. Like this, one more sum. Minus 8 plus 7. Different signs, difference. The absolute value of minus 8 is equal to 8. The absolute value of plus 7 is equal to 7. In this, different signs, no? Difference. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. In this big number is 8. That's what minus 1. That's what here I can write here. Minus 1. Now, still minus 12, minus 10. Minus 12, minus 10. The absolute value of minus 12 is equal to 12. The absolute value of minus 10 is equal to 10. Both are same signs, sum. Then automatically 2. Addition you have to do 2, 22. Both are girls, both are negative, that's why negative 22. One more sum, 3 minus 7. This is nothing but we know minus 4, but how to do? This is nothing but plus 3 minus 7. Plus 3 minus 7, different signs. The absolute value of minus 7 is equal to 7. The absolute value of plus 3 is equal to 3. Different signs. That's why subtraction. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. In this big number is 7. That's why minus 4. Minus 4. You know very well. 7 minus 3 is equal to plus 4. This difference you must find. Do this following sums given assignment and solve those sums and send the answers to me. Afterwards I'll check that answers. Okay. Thank you very much.